Welcome to the Live Wide Open podcast. I'm your host, Randy B. Ramirez, the high performance mentor, and I'm here to lead you to become the best version of yourself. This show raises the bar for all the motorsport enthusiasts. Holding it wide open is just what we do. Being a good person is who we are, and living our lives to the fullest is the lifestyle that we choose. Yo, my brother, what if the only thing that's standing between the man you are today and the man that you're actually capable of becoming is just one more day of you showing up? Like, what if? Like, not talent, not luck, not money, not genetics, just one more day. See, look, we've all been sold this fucking lie that high performance people have everything figured out. You think that you see those guys on fire, they're on a roll, you see all the outer things that people want you to see, and you're like, yo, these people will have all this shit figured out. But look, the truth is, dog, that they don't. They really don't. They're just more committed than being comfortable. And around here, look, if we don't chase perfection, if we don't push our limits, then are we ever going to grow? Like, if we don't chase building the consistency, if we don't chase consistently getting uncomfortable, if we don't chase getting uncomfortable, not because they're telling us to, but really because you know that doing the thing that you don't want to fucking do is actually how you're going to rewire your identity. Because the more you do it, the more consistent it becomes, the more wired it becomes. It's like you're writing a new program into your mind. You're literally rewiring your identity. And identity, my brother, this is what changes lives. When you can reprogram yourself into how you view yourself, into how you identify. And I'm talking about no, this pussy shit, them, what, them, us, bro. How you see yourself as a man, as a provider, as a warrior, as the leader of your home. That's the game changer right there. You see, look, I used to think that becoming a better man meant living, having everything like dialed in every single day. Like, you wake up, you crush the workout, you eat perfectly, you pray, you journal, you read, you build a business. I love my wife flawlessly. I ride, I work on the Camaro, and then I go to bed feeling like a Superman. Brother, I laugh because reality showed up. We're just never perfect. Some mornings, I'm fucking exhausted. Some days, work kicks my ass. Some days, dog, the workout gets cut short because I'm on a little time limit. Some days, I don't even go into the garage. Sometimes life throws some hard ass fucking punches that I never even saw coming. And look, for a while, bro, I beat up myself, especially like when I had the first couple miss-ups on this 1,000 day journey, because I made it over a year, not missing nothing, perfect score. And then the first one, I was like, fuck. And I beat myself up. And I think, man, I fucking blew it. I blew it today. But then I realized, yo, this is about building the man that I want to become forever. And that takes grind. That takes consistency. That is hard. That is challenging. That takes you showing up every single day. The goal was never perfection. The goal was to become. And becoming doesn't happen because you had one perfect day. Becoming happens because you refuse to quit after an imperfect day. You see that right there, my brother? That right there is how you reframe the situation. That is how you realize that, holy shit, this identity of a warrior that I've identified myself with, that I've embodied myself with, that I've taken over, has really clicked in for me. Because every day, I just focus on banging another gear. And maybe today I don't hit all fucking 6 gears, but I refuse to park the bike. I refuse to park the car. I refuse to park me. I refuse to park the man that I'm becoming. Because look, every single gear that I bang is just another vote for the man that I am becoming, for the man that I'm working on. And so yes, there will not be always perfect days, But I promise you that I will never stop banging gears. Mind, spirit, body, relationships, legacy, passion, every fucking day. Every fucking day. And so look, stop chasing the perfect days. Like, I get it. We all want to hit the perfect score. We want to hit the perfect workouts. We all want to hit the perfect routine. And we all want to think that, like, if it's not perfect, then I'm not going to do it. Dog, but the perfect days don't build the man that you want to become. It's the repeatable days. It's you showing up no matter what. It's you not compromising because it's not perfect. You see, look, perfection feels good until you miss one. And you're gonna miss. I promise you, you're gonna miss, dog. No one's perfect. Life happens. And what happens is that when you miss, you get on a roll and you get all excited and all this stuff, and you fucking miss, and you're like, fuck, bro. And right there, that's where most men quit. They miss one workout, so they skip the whole week. They eat one bad meal, dog, and now they throw the whole weekend away. Like, they miss one morning prayer, and then they convince themselves that, oh my God, I'm falling. Oh my God, I'm just not doing good anymore. But brother, that's your ego talking. Consistency says, good, I'll be back tomorrow. That's how champions think. Not by, oh man, I have to be perfect. Oh man, I has to be this way. Oh, like, you can't compromise. No, I refuse to stay down. And so the strongest man isn't the one who never fails, who never falls. The strongest man is the one who becomes world class and keeps getting back up. Because if you never had hardships, if you never had falls, if you never had challenges, if you've never had you would never get better. You would never be challenged. You would never improve because you would just be comfy and cozy and probably pretty overweight. And so look, every gear strengthens the next one. It's purposely why I hit it 6 gears. It's purposely why I bang 6 gears every day. It's purposely why I've built this routine. It's purposely why I'm doing it repeatedly for over 1,000 days. Because I've got what works and what doesn't, and this is what works for me. And here's what I love about the 6 gears, dog. Like, look, they all work together. Like, look, when your mind is sharp, you pray better. When your spirit is grounded, you lead your wife with more patience, dog. When your body is healthy and it's feeling good, you have more energy for work. When your relationship is strong, you become more peaceful. You truly do. And like when your legacy is moving forward, you're all happy, you're feeling purpose, you sleep fucking good because you know your purpose is working. And when your passion is alive, your soul gets refueled. That's why I bang gears every single day. My mind, my spirit, my body, my relationship, my legacy, my passion. One gear makes the next one easier. But you skip one long enough, my brother, and eventually the whole transmission starts grinding. Your whole life starts falling apart. And then all of a sudden, holy shit, what happened to the gearbox? I stopped shifting. So keep shifting. Don't stop. Keep your life moving forward, my brother. You cannot stop. This is forever. This is how you become the man you've always wanted to become. You see, your future family is depending on the man that you're becoming today. And that one hits hard for me. It really does, because it will really make you question the things that you do on a daily basis. If you really reframe it and you think about, is this next action that I'm going to do help me become better and closer to the man that I want to become? Or is it going to be pushing me farther away? Because every decision I make today will eventually introduce my wife, my future children, my friends, my employees to a future version of me. And so who do I want that man to become? Someone who quits? Someone who complains? Someone who blames everyone else? Fuck no. I want that guy to be fucking dependable. I want him to be disciplined. I want him to be faithful. I want him to be strong. I want him to be present. I want him to be loving. I want to be dangerous in all the right ways. And look, here's the beautiful part, my brother. The man isn't built during one incredible weekend. The man is built during thousands of ordinary Tuesdays. Thousands of ordinary Wednesdays, hundreds, thousands of ordinary Saturdays, one decision at a time, one gear at a time. So brother, imagine where you'll be in 5 years from now if you simply refuse to stop. Imagine. Not perfect, just relentlessly. where would you be? Like, you know what makes me smile, bro? It really does. Genuinely makes me smile. Like thinking about the version of me that doesn't exist yet. And I know that might sound corny to some people, but when you see and you look back at your life and you're like, holy crap, holy shit, I used to be a piece of shit. I used to be all my excuses, all this shit. I used to be such a pussy and all this stuff. And I see how much I've improved and I can look forward and I'm like, yo, if I've gotten this better, how much better is there to go? How much better can I get? I can't wait to meet that next version of me. Like the better husband that I'm going to become, the better businessman, the better writer, the better leader, the better mentor. He's waiting for me, dog. And so look, that's what keeps me going. That's what helps me try one more time. That's what helps me bang another gear. Knowing that today I'm building the man that I want to be tomorrow. And so every fucking gear that I bang introduces me to that man that I'm working on becoming just a little sooner. And the same is true for you, bro. It really is. Just got to be willing to put in the work. And so my question really for you today is this, dog. If you kept showing up exactly the way that you have been showing up this past month, who would you become 5 years from now? And would you be proud of that man? Be real with yourself. And so my challenges for the next 7 days is don't focus on perfection. Focus on just one thing. Bang every gear you possibly can, my brother. Work on your mind, work on your spirit, work on your body, work on your relationship, work on your legacy, work on your passion. And if you miss one, it's okay. Don't park the bike. Just shift into the next gear. Keep it moving. Because look, brother, this, I know it's true. The world doesn't need another man chasing perfection. The world needs another man chasing purpose. Chasing fucking purpose. Because purpose creates consistency, and consistency, it creates the discipline that you need. Here's where it goes. Consistency creates discipline. Discipline creates the identity that you need to build the legacy that you want. And so consistency creates discipline. Discipline creates identity, and identity creates the legacy. One comes after the other. One gear gets banged after the other. And so remember, you weren't put on this earth to play small, my brother. You really weren't. Stop fucking wasting the days. God gave you some good ass horsepower for a reason. Stop letting it idle. Grab another gear and disappear, dog. Become the man that your family deserves. And I promise you that one day you're going to look back and you're going to realize that, yo, the greatest project that I've ever built, it was myself. Till next time, my brother, bang those fucking gears, lead your home, honor God, build your legacy, ignite your passion, and as always, live wide fucking open. Yo, I'm slamming the checkered flag deep into the ground, claiming victory for every single wide open warrior that's out there. My brother, this is your wake-up call. Break the chains, step out of the average, and become that badass motherfucker that you were born to be. This Live Wide Open movement isn't just another podcast. This is a mission that God has stamped in my heart, and helping you rise is the purpose I live for. So lock this shit in and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another episode. And yo, if today's message lit that fire in your chest, my brother, then don't you dare keep this shit to yourself. Fuel another brother. Send this to another motorhead. Send this to another gearhead. Send this to another brother who you know is hungry for more. Because look, building a better life for our families is non-fucking negotiable. It's time to get up. It's time to lock in. And it's time to get to fucking work, dog. Wide open is the fucking way. Let's go.